Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews and insights into the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into the SHOKZ OpenRun Pro Bone Conduction Sport Headphones. Let's see if these are worth the hype. The SHOKZ OpenRun Pro offers a unique listening experience thanks to its bone conduction technology. But what sets these headphones apart? Let's break it down. First off, comfort is key when it comes to workout headphones. The OpenRun Pro features a bud-free design, meaning no more discomfort from earbuds. Plus, with its lightweight titanium frame, these headphones stay put during even the most intense training sessions. But what about sound quality? The OpenRun Pro delivers premium audio through your cheekbone, thanks to its 9th generation bone conduction technology. And with SHOKZ turbo pitch technology and 2 added bass enhancers, you'll experience clear sound, powerful volume, and rich bass, perfect for keeping you motivated during your workouts. Safety is another important factor, especially for outdoor workouts. Unlike traditional earbuds or over-ear headphones, the OpenRun Pro allows you to stay aware of your environment, keeping you connected and safe during your runs or rides. And let's not forget about battery life. With up to 10 hours of music and calls on a single charge, these headphones have you covered for those long training sessions. Plus, with a quick 5-minute charge, you can get up to 1.5 hours of battery life, perfect for when you're in a pinch. So, should you buy the SHOKZ OpenRun Pro? If you're looking for comfortable, high-quality headphones that are perfect for workouts and outdoor activities, then absolutely. With its innovative design, premium sound quality, and long battery life, the OpenRun Pro is a game-changer for anyone who loves to stay active. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and insights. Until next time, happy listening.